Good morning. It is Wednesday morning. I'm back at work today. I had Monday, Tuesday off due to going to the Teddy Swims in Manchester. So yeah, back at work today. Time currently is 8:57. So yeah, we're just gonna get our stuff ready and off to work we go. On the Duffield job today, we are going to be doing the manhole covers, getting them cut, ready and in. Do that this morning. Dinner time, we'll sort a couple of them crates out because there's a couple of slabs in each crate. Just take all the slabs out of the crate and then take the crates back to Frankie's. What else can I do? Ideally, today I could get the sleepers done. Once I've done the cuts, get the sleepers in, and then tomorrow we can get a mix on, me and Phil. We can do the cuts around the edge while I'm putting the cuts in. Phil can be doing the mixers. Because that'll just happen dead quick then, and then we can then slab the step, the sleeper step, and then cut round everywhere. So yeah, I think I might do that instead of me just doing that today, and then me and Phil jump on the sleepers tomorrow. If I jump on the sleepers this afternoon and start doing them, then I think that'll work better for me and the actual job itself. So yeah, stay tuned, I'll keep you updated, and I'll catch up with you guys when we get to the job. Right, I'm just munching. So the plan today is to get this sleeper step done, ready for the morning, and then do the recessed manhole covers. So I've got a fair few. With that one there, I've got all the slabs aligned and ready. Same with this one. And then I've got a couple of cuts down there to get ready. And then a couple there. Cut round that, get it ready. These two. And then one cut there to put in. So if I can get them cut and ready for the morning, then me and Phil can just crack on, get a couple of mixers done and get them put in. So it's easier when you've got someone else while mixing. So if I can just make the aim today to get this sleeper step put in, ready, and we can slab that first. That'll be the first one to slab, then we can move on up to them ones and get them ones in. So if we can do that today, I'll be more than happy. All this rubbish needs cutting up, putting in the skip needs going. Then it's just a case of them flying down the edge here, getting that cut nice and neat, ready for some stone. Same with that edge there, look, because I overcut them, didn't I? Put them in, and then same with that edge. That edge there is fine. That edge there is 50mm all the way. These ones are going to be opened up a little bit because that's where the water's going to run. So yeah, let me crack on with that and I'll get back to you. greyish weather, isn't it? Eh? Absolutely typical. I mean, you can see over there, there's nice blue skies. But over here, look, it's absolutely pissing it down. So just waiting for this to pass over, and then it will crack on. Yep, it's still absolutely hammering it down. Don't know if you can see or hear, but it is still absolutely hammering it down. So we're just going to sit here and wait to see if it passes. I've got a quote to go and do, so if it doesn't pass, we'll just go and jump on that quote and get that done. But it looks very, very dark and horrible up in the sky, so we'll just wait and see. This is just to give you a scale and the size of this job that I've been doing in Duffield. So this is the bottom patio. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 rows deep. So that's the first patio. That's the second patio outside the back doors, and then it flows all the way around side of the house, all the path, all this done as well. All up here, look, all this has been done as well. Another path to the front door, another path down to the drive, another path down to the drive. So that just gives you the size scale of this job. This is why it's took 6 weeks. Right, we're getting there slowly. We have just done 2 full manhole covers, got them all done, and they're ready to be dropped in tomorrow when Phil's with us. I've done the bit in front of where the outside tap is. I've just cut all them slabs there, dropped them in. I've just done that L-shape cut as well for the corner, and now we are up the path. So we're going to work our way up the path, and we're going to get the, as you're looking down the path to the front of the house, we're going to get the right hand side gravel trap. A few of them put in because we missed a couple of them out. I don't know why, but there's a couple of them that's not been put in, so I'm going to drop them in. And then there's that manhole cover outside the back door, so then we'll cut round that and get that one set in and get that one there ready for laying tomorrow. Then it's just the 2 outside the back garage door that need cutting and putting in, and then it's just 1, 2 outside the gate. Once they're done, we can then drop on to the sleepers. I'm just gonna have a bite to eat now. It's currently 11:30, so I'm just gonna have some dinner, drop back on it, finish off cutting, just to give me back a rest, because it's a bit chilly today and you bent over, which still sore cutting, so I don't want to damage me back again. So yeah, just have a quick bite to eat and then drop back on it and get that done. What else is it to do? Yeah, hopefully I should get some progress done this week. I'm getting a bit fed up now, knowing you're on the same job for too long. You get a bit fed up, so I want to get this one wrapped up for them now. It's not fair on them and always having someone at the house, so get this one wrapped up, and then we're on to Ripley, a big job in Ripley, which I'm looking forward to. Digger work to start off with, so yeah, it'll be another good one. Just had another job accept, so that takes us further on in the year. Got a quote to do tonight, got a quote to do tomorrow night, so yeah, happy days. We're cooking on gas and we're getting the work in, baby. I did send one quote out for this garden tidy up job, but people don't realise that with a tidy up job you still need a skip to put all the shit in. You still got to pay me my labour for the day, or 2 days, 3 days, whatever it's going to take, and then they want some they've got block paving on the back garden for some reason. They want that putting back down. They want that putting back down because the weeds have grown up for it or something and pushed it out, so it'll be a case of taking them out, clearing whatever's there, putting fresh sand down, putting them blocks back down, and people just don't realise the cost of things, and it just annoys me, because when you send them a quote, they're like, oh, I wasn't expecting that. Well, it
it is what it is. If you go and get a quote from somewhere else, it's going to be a lot more, because I know I'm very competitive and I know my prices are reasonable. That's the thing. Leave a comment below, right? How much do you think this job cost in Duffield, right? There's been 8 packs of Sandstone, fossil buff, patio packs. There's been 8 packs of them. There's been easy near on 10 ton of sand, bags of cement, type 1, 3 skips, what else? Labour, pointing, sleepers. There's about 14 sleepers here and all. Hire of the digger, had that for a week, and the dumpy. So yeah, just leave a comment down below what how much you think this job costs, and I'll tell you at the end of this video. But yeah, I think it's very reasonable. When I first come to quote, they said we've had some eye-watering quotes, so for them to accept mine, I think my quote was very, very reasonable. Anyway, let me scran this food and then catch back up with you. Alright, the rain stopped. All the cuts are done. We're now going to do the sleeper steps and get all them in, ready for the morning. Thought I might need a new blade, and that's just told me everything. So I've just been cutting for that sleeper, and it's actually bowed it. Look, watch.
It's a little bit rusty, but come on. So yeah, new blade now for that needed. Never mind. Right, that's a wrap for today. We managed to get the cuts done and laid in, ready to just drop in tomorrow. First thing in the morning. Hopefully we should get them done, then we can move on to the sleepers. So the sleepers, I've just started doing the sleepers and the saws and packed up on me. The blade started bowing like 1-0, so I'm gonna go and get a new one. Get a nice fresh new blade. I'm gonna need it anyway on the next job because there's quite a lot of sleepers on that as well. So yeah, I'm done. I'm gonna nip off now. I've got a quote to do at 4:30, so I'm just gonna shoot off, go and get this quote done, and then that'll be me done. I'm gonna nip got some new t-shirts again, some more t-shirts for work, so I'm just gonna nip them over to the guy that does my printing. Hopefully he can get them done, and then I should be wearing them tomorrow, hopefully. I don't know what the weather is gonna be like tomorrow. Hoping for a better day than today. It's just been on and off rain, horrible. So yeah, fingers crossed. Anyway, that's me done. Thanks for watching. If you like, subscribe. If you don't bother. It's up to you. I do this for you, not myself. So yeah, see you in the morning.
I wish I could tell you that I want you here with me, but you'll never love me like the way we used to be. Too far from Saturn, lost in the patterns. Where's the stars align so we could be free? Palms are sweaty, knees unsteady. I can't see my head on straight. Heart is heavy, wasn't ready. Don't think I can see your face. Now we're just friends. How long till that ends? It feels like forever away. Yeah, we're on, and we're on. It will never be enough. Now we're gone, and we're on our way. If I stay, if I go, it won't
Gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again. Run it back again. I'm on my face, bumping, and I've been taking something, and now my mind is running. I'm got this place jumping. I'm on my face, bumping, and I've been taking something, and now my mind is running. Gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again.
Stop.
Gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again. Run it back again. Gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again. Light it up, represent. Gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again. Light it up, represent. Had to do it hella big, had to run it back again. Gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again.
Stop.
Gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again.
People in the back, get 'em up. One time for the people in the back, get 'em up. One time for the people in the back, get 'em up. One time for the people in the back, in the back, in the back. For the people in the back, 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 back. For the people in the back, 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 back. For the people in the back, for the people in the back, for the people in the
Gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again.